ecare disc repair machine, right? With pink pads firmly placed in place. I'm gonna lift it up so you can see pink pads. Everything plugged in. Tray taken out because they won't fit in there because 3 pads only fit, not 4. A brand new disc. Has no scratches on it. Not yet. And put this machine in. These are all on springs. Spring. Up here is a spring too, so it can wobble around and get extra scratched out. Now, putting the brand new disc. It's an old one. Click it down, and now in about 3 minutes this thing will be completely scratched up. It even runs. Let me show you that that's the same disc that's not scratched. No scratches yet. So no sleight of hand or any cheating, you guys. Now, this part spins the disc really slow, and it spins around 2.5 times while it spirographs your disc. So it just destroys your disc instead of getting rid of scratches or fixing it or anything. Step 1, spirograph the disc. Step 2 is like toothpaste solution that doesn't work to fill in scratches or nothing. And step 3 just washes off all the solution so the scratches are back on. It does happen with these 2 things, and a long process of swapping out each pad to a different color. So for step 1, use those pink pads that came all deformed, so I had to use the second set because they get damaged. For example, they're supposed to fit in this tray, right? And the tray is supposed to slide in, but it won't slide in because it won't. So you have to smash these pads down to fit in there, or take one out so you don't damage how thick they are, and make them uneven so they unevenly scratch your disc. This yellow one's probably the most useful. It's a soft one. The other one's supposed to be like sandpaper. I think they'd be better if they filled it in instead of using a ring. They had a full circle so it cleaned up everything better. Okay, now. Your spirograph disc. See, look at all those lines. That's a spirograph etched in there. Totally mess up your laser on your device. Step 1. Can you see all of those? And that was with the brand new disc. See those scratches? They're kind of hard to see, but you can see them over there towards the middle. Oh, that's scratched up like a rainbow. Oh my god. See how refracting that is? That's bad for your lens.